Hi, I'm Hilary Cannon Anderson. I'm the art teacher at Summit Elementary, and I'm a volunteer for Cardinal Stage. If you come to a show, I might take your ticket, give you a program, and help you to your seat. Today, I'm going to read you the book, The Little Band by James Sage, illustrated by Keiko Narahashi. Look at those wonderful animals. Some of them have instruments. The Little Band. Here they are. At first, there was the sound of faraway music. Then the little band appeared. They marched across the bridge and into town. Who are they? Wondered the mailman. Why are they here? Asked the shoppers in the market. Where are they going? Demanded the policeman. But there were no answers. Without missing a beat, the little band marched on. Wait, called the mayor, who wanted to give a speech of welcome. But the little band did not wait. They marched past the town officials, past the workmen enjoying a rest, past the bride and groom leaving church, past the smiling faces in the playground. The music pleased one man so much, he stood on his head in excitement. While further down the street, a woman did a little dance as she hung up her washing. Charming, charming, murmured the old folks as they rocked to the rhythm of the drum. What a wonder, exclaimed the sea captain, who thought he had seen everything. The music made the dogs bark, the cats howl, the chickens cluck, the sheep baa with excitement. The farmer and his wife waved a friendly hello. So did the apple pickers in the orchard, and the cyclists puffing up the hill, and the campers pitching their tents by the side of the lake. Amazing, cried the fishermen as fish began to leap around them. Away, away marched the little band through the woods, across the meadows, and along the cliffs high above the sea. Into the distance they marched, leaving behind no hint of who they were, or why they had come, or where they were going. But long afterward, people remembered their beautiful faraway music, and nothing was ever the same again. You see the kid playing music? Perhaps you could create a little band with your family. You could use instruments you might already have, like you might have some castanets, or a harmonica, or a kazoo, or you might have jingle bells. If you don't have instruments, maybe you could bang on a pot or an ice cream bucket. Maybe you could make your own little jingle bells, or make shakers. Here's a shaker we made using a soda can and putting some dried beans in. This one is a prescription bottle. It has coins in it. Makes a louder sound. Here's another one. This one has rice. Rice makes a softer sound. You might even decorate your lids and the jars. Once you have your instruments, make a row and march around the house. Maybe you could even sing your favorite songs while you're playing your instruments. Have fun!